Hey, so today I want to show you basically two Instagram posts that have brought me about $100 to $250 per day on the front end by making some sales. And then as I'm growing my list as well, those turn into somewhat like $1,000 days on occasion, depending on what campaigns I'm running and what I'm doing. That's not the purpose of today. If you want that, you can hit subscribe and check out some of the previous videos I did a couple of weeks ago, showing you how I take like a $47 product into like $3,000 paid client and so on. You might be thinking like, oh, what are you doing with 2,000 or so followers? Just to show you around, like I've been more of a LinkedIn person. I've got about 7.5k followers in this present moment that the video is being filmed. You know, I've been in the game for several years now and turned this sort of business consultancy to over 7 figures, and recently sort of been toying with a bit more of Instagram and YouTube just to diversify a little bit. So it's not my first rodeo, but one thing I am really enjoying is the people of Instagram, and you know, the way that it's a little more designery and less business-like. So all of this stuff that I'm going to share with you today sort of brings that together. So for me, what is important to establish is that number one is the bio on Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever it may be. You know, it clearly tells people what I'm doing. Like I've got one offer, one post, and one email a day, which is my sort of content ecosystem that helps myself and other clients build a lifestyle business. I've served, you know, over 250 clients and 2,000 customers. You know, so when somebody lands here, they already know, okay, or have a rough idea of what this person's doing, right? Now, above and beyond all of that, you know, I've been testing several reels, and I remember doing this high production one that worked for a while until it didn't. You know, there's been a shift into more like life experience content, people wanting it raw, as you can see here. Like I just walk my dogs every morning and every afternoon and shoot these reels, and some of them work really well, others work less well, but this is sort of like my middle of funnel content here. Anyway, so the two posts, one of them is this one. So before I get into that, if you are new, let's say, and you land here, this is like strategically put here to show my story, to get someone to resonate a little bit with what I've done, you know, growing up with a single mom and 2 sisters, playing music, doing all of that, you know, losing our house, and then me getting it again from my mom and getting ourselves my house and all of that, you know, scaling the agency, whatever that is, that sort of builds the resonance, right? So then when somebody goes to click elsewhere, I've pinned this here deliberately because it did really well. But what this is, I've shared in some of my other videos that there's like Hell Island and then Heaven Island. That's where you paint the pain points and the desires of your ideal client. And this carousel here is designed to be the plan. It's like it shows somebody the steps to get from point A to B. In this case, you know, it's 3 steps. And what I've done is I've got this solid hook, you know, that drives curiosity, proof of my Thrivecart checkout page, and then going in to break the strategy. So I'm going, here's how I'm doing this, right? Step 1, you find something you're good at and you enjoy teaching others. That comes naturally to you. I give some examples of what comes naturally to me or to anybody else. You know, for me, it's how to write an offer, sales copy. For somebody else, it might be like growing their Instagram or paying off a mortgage, whatever it may be. So then step 2, you want to break this process down into, you know, how you achieved that thing in a Google Doc, maybe a Notion doc, anywhere. And as a bonus, you can record yourself, as I'm doing right now, and talking through that for context. Then you basically want to upload that into Kit or Gumroad or, you know, there's Stanstore, all sorts of things. And then you want to create content on one platform that you find easy to work on, and then talk about your ideal clients' misconceptions, pain points, aspirations, share lots of proof and your philosophy, and then also weave in your personal stories, your opinions, right? Your beliefs, your values, because people who are ready to buy are at that intersection of who you are. So you need a little bit of personality, right? And personal stories, opinions, and also what you do. So that's sort of like how I, consult or write offers or whatever it is you do. Because people buy into you before buying into what you do. And then I sort of say, remember, this is a process, etc. Then I say comment doc, and I'll send you my Google Doc offer template with a walkthrough. Now, what happens here is you'll probably see some people start commenting the word doc. And then I've got an autoresponder, which I'll share with you here now, that basically says I awkwardly slid into your DMs. Check your DMs. All of these people that have said that are getting the link to what I showed you, which essentially is this swipemymojo.com link. When they land here, I give them a free template, of the same doc offer that I've used to sign high ticket clients with no sales calls and all of that. And upon that, I make them a $47 offer, right? So ManyChat, the automation, once they've commented the word doc here, will basically DM them. And what happens over here is, whether it's a post or a reel or a story, then this automation will basically go, and I'm a newbie at this. I've just begun my journey in here. But it says, thanks for commenting on my post, access the offer doc, and then it sends you to the website I just showed you, and I tag. That is literally it, right? Like, I've got some other automations in here as well that, I'll show you as well. But they're as simple as somebody comments a keyword and I say, hey, thank you so much. Grab the thing, right? And sometimes I ask them to opt into my email list. Other times I just give them a document, right? Now, when this person comments the word doc, I don't end there. I have a sequence on Kit. So ConvertKit over here is the platform that I use to build little mini landing pages and gather people's emails. You can see, like today, I got 10 leads. Over the last 7 days, I've gotten 139 people opting in. You can see the Swipe My Mojo is tagged here. I've got 85 new people in the last 7 days opt into this. So what happens is I've got this visual automation. I won't go through the sequences and all of that, but once somebody goes into Swipe My Mojo, they are then tagged as a subscriber and it triggers a welcome sequence. Now that welcome sequence has 3 or 4 emails, right? In email 1, I tell them who I am, what I do. As I said, that intersection is really important. And I make them an offer, to grab, if they want more knowledge on creating Google Docs to sell for high ticket clients, they can then opt in and basically purchase that to speed up the process. And I go, day 1, here's who I am. By the way, you can grab it. Day 2, here's what's inside. And day 3 is just like a last reminder, and then I leave them alone. But this sort of little visual automation that you see here just triggers every time somebody opts into this website. But it all starts from here, right? Like, they comment the word doc, and even though this got 54 likes and however many comments, so far has brought about 100 to 250 per day. Now, it goes a little bit more complex because this is my front end offer, but I also offer an upsell to it and an order bump and all of that, but we're not going to get into that today. So sometimes basically people check out UC of the emails, and it could be 47, it could be, these ones could be more than that. I've got 2 emails because I screwed it up last time when I was setting it up. But sometimes, it could be 47, sometimes it's 100, it's 147, whatever that may be, depending on what people are buying. So basically Instagram with ManyChat, which is probably like $15-20 right now for me because I don't have a big audience per month to set these automations, works really, really well. So that's this one. Then let's have a look here. So I've sort of alternated between these. You can see I'm creating other carousels. So there's a different way to get them to comment the word doc, but that one was the most successful. There's this one as well that went out today. So I pretty much like that, to me, is my golden asset. But the one that performed the most is this plan bit of content over here, simply because I'm showing them step by step, right? So that's sort of one thing. Then this is the second one. So I, similarly to the other one, say, 30 days of selling digital products. I made 25K. I'm using Simple Docs, and I have a free gift for you. And I say, I've just made a list of 100 business-focused digital products you can create. If you comment the word 100 below, I'll send it over. And again, people start commenting that word, and I give them a list. The same thing happens with that, where I just give them a doc with a list of these 100. Let's see if we can find it over here. 100 business focused. There we go. So this one doesn't have an opt-in. I just say, hey, swoop in, say hi. I give them a list of these 100 product ideas. And then on the bottom, I say, by the way, you can get a 40-page playbook showing you how to create your micro offer in 5 days, and you can grab that. So even though I'm not collecting their emails or any of that sort of stuff, the fact that I've plugged this here, they like what they see, they will literally click, and I've done this really cool funnel, or at least I think it's cool. I don't know what you think. You can let me know in the comments below. But basically, give them a little phone looking thing, and then they can click and grab the playbook, and so on and so on. So it's sort of inviting, to say the least. Now, there's various different ways you can do that. Like this, to me, took literally 5 minutes to model and to create. It's like a phone camera of myself. Man, I can't speak. It's me and my dog after a run, and then I just sort of plastered this on Instagram stories and then screenshotted it and put it up here. So it's super, super easy to create. And I create these, fairly frequently. If you look at some of these other ones here as well, this one's same sort of process where I'm like, here's a hook, here's the proof. And then at the end of the day, I'm going, bang, you can comment code. Same thing with this code. I might have it over here, actually. This one's a deep dive resource. So in this case, even though I'm not asking for your email, I've buried links all over this that also sell you on things if you want to, right? Like you can make sense out of this entire system just by reading this document. But, people ask, what are you using? I'm using ConvertKit that I just showed you. So I am literally mentioning it here. And then for landing pages, I'm actually sending them over there and all of that. So there are little bits and pieces inside of this, like Modern Maker here is my group coaching program. They watch a video and then that has an offer in it. So by planting all of these seeds, people are buying $47 worth of products to begin with. They're buying the upsells or whatever it may be. But I'm getting 3 or 4 of these sales per day, where let's say one of them could be an upsell or an order bump. And that's how I'm making, anywhere between 100 to 250 per day, excluding all the other LinkedIn stuff and coaching and consulting and all of that. So this tiny, tiny little ecosystem here that I've built is what is generating this. So I just wanted to share that with you today. If you want to see the social code and the resources I've shown you today, like the 100 products, I will drop them in the comments below so you can take a look, and hopefully you learned something and this was useful to you. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.